Investing in dividend stocks is one of the best ways to earn big profits from some of the world's most successful companies like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and so many of them. You can actually reinvest these dividends to buy more shares, and it creates a powerful compounding interest effect that will blow your mind. In today's video, I'm going to open your eyes to see that you can earn up to 6% dividend yield plus growth returns from my top 5 dividend stocks that you can buy now. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Julia, and this is the Julia Inspired channel, where I talk about everything about money, from earning money online, passive income, money management, and how you get to multiply your money, because that is very important. So please like this video and stick around to the end, because I have a very important information to share at the end of this video. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? If not, please do so. If this is your first time, you're welcome. I celebrate you, and I love that you click that subscribe button, because when you do that, you get to see my next new video. Awesome, right? I'm sure you like that. So let me get into the video, and you will learn about these top 5 dividend stocks that I'm sure you've heard about them, or you may not have heard about them, but today you're going to see how you can earn passive income just doing things you already know you do every day. This video is for everyone looking to earn passive income through stocks, but definitely for me, it's a long-term plan, and this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. All right, this is a tested method, and this video is perfect for beginners in the stock market. This video will help you plan your future better, and that is the reason why I'm doing this. So do me one favor, watch this video to the end and understand everything I'm going to talk about, because I'll be teaching you all I know about dividend investing. Because when you put in money into dividend investments, it will definitely be one of the best things you'll be doing for yourself in your lifetime. Of course, that. So I would like to add a little disclaimer. These are the things that I do that have worked for me. I'm not a financial advisor, and it would be nice that you do your own research. But definitely, I have people who do these things and they have gotten good results. So you can learn a couple of things from this video. First of all, let's talk about dividends. What is a dividend? Dividends are actually a way large and established companies share profits while the company grows. Definitely not all companies pay dividends. Apple pays dividends. Amazon does not pay dividends, so you need to understand that. But it does not mean that when they don't pay dividends that they are not growing. Amazon is a growth machine company, all right? They are not paying dividends, but I have shares in Amazon because it's one company I love so much, and I love their growth. Okay, so investors benefit when they grow and they give you dividends. And the best thing to do for you who is a beginner is to actually reinvest that dividends when you get them into buying more shares, so you can actually earn more dividends. Now, there are no rules that states that all companies will pay dividends. So companies decide if they want to pay dividends or not, and these dividends are paid quarterly, monthly. Some actually pay 6 months periodically, so they actually paid into your brokerage account. If you've watched any of my other videos, there's a particular video I watched. I'm going to add the link in the description. I talked about step by step on how you can start investing in the stock market, and I talked a lot about the brokerage account, and I shared links of the ones you can choose from. So do well to click on the link and be a part of that particular video. All right, so the good thing is that these dividends are paid into your brokerage account and you can reinvest. That's like a smart strategy for me. This is what I teach people in my community. When you are earning your dividends, please don't spend it. Make sure you reinvest, and if you reinvest, you're going to have massive profits. I'm telling you. Now, why do people invest? People invest because they are looking forward to having more money during their retirement. They're investing so they can build wealth that they can enjoy. And this is very important because you can't work all your life, but you can make your money work for you 24/7. And that is why I love investing. So dividend yield is a percentage of your dividends. So if your share is $100 and you earn 5% as dividend yield, you'll be paid $5. So you can understand it. If you bought 10 shares, you're going to be earning $50. And these dividends are paid for a year. So when they pay you quarterly, they split it into 3 so that you earn them 3 times in a year, but a total of 5%, as the example I am actually giving at the moment. So you should know your dividend dates. One simple way is when you go on Yahoo Finance and you type the name of the company or type the name of the stock, you can get all the information. For those who pay dividends, you're going to see the dates they will be paying their next dividends. And it's important that you buy before the ex-dividend dates and all of that. So there are a couple of things that are important for you to note. One is the declaration date. The declaration date is the approval date for dividends for the company to pay. Then they have the day of payment. The day of payment is the date that you receive the dividends, and they give you a particular day, but it happens within that day and the next couple of few days. So understand that. Then we have the ex-dividend date. The ex-dividend date is the date after the payment. So if you buy on the ex-dividend date or after, you won't be receiving dividend for that particular period. So like I said, go to yahoofinance.com and you see the payment date information that's for all the dividends you're going to be buying. All right, so now let's talk about 2 ways to earn money in stocks. 1 is dividends, 2 is the growth and the asset appreciation. Now dividends is, like I have explained, when the company pays you some profit from the profit they have generally made. All right, the second one is growth dividend. Say you buy a stock when it's valued at $100 and then it grows to $200. That means it has grown 100%. So the value of your money sort of doubles. And that's what happens when you see stocks that are called the growth stocks. But there are some companies like Apple that do both. They pay dividends and they also grow in stocks. So that's one of the companies that I personally love to actually invest in. So do your own research of these companies, check out their dividends, check other ones that are out there who are also doing well. But I'm going to be discussing my 5 top dividend stocks that I'm buying or I am topping up this 2022. One smart way is investing into a basket of top good companies, and these baskets are called the ETFs, extended traded funds. These ETFs pay dividends and the dividends are great. Now, the Vanguard ETFs, they have the best selections with low fees. Like their fees are as low as 0.03%, 0.06%. And yes, you can actually invest in fractional shares. If the value of the shares is $500 or $300, for example, and all you have is $50, you can actually start with your $50 fractional share. So you buy in bits. You buy a piece until you buy the entire whole chunk of the shares. I hope this is making sense. This is super interesting. When I learned of this, I stopped saving so much money. I started investing as little as I get. And that is why even teachers, even low earners can actually start off their investment journey with ease. So my favorite portfolio is, the ETFs. They come first in my portfolio, and I actually look into the Vanguard ETF, and I'm going to be sharing in a short while those 5 dividend stocks that I have, and I encourage you to buy them now. Now I use Passfolio, which is my brokerage account, and you will find a link down below in the description so you can actually create your own account. It takes 3 minutes maximum, like it doesn't take anything and everything is done. So I'm actually affiliated to this company, Passfolio, and I have my registration and referral link. So do well to click on the link below, because I may earn small fee when you use my referral link, and you who is using my referral link can earn up to $100 in stock when you sign up. All right, so now let me show you my 5 top dividend stocks that I have that I'm topping up. So every week I set a target for myself and I do a top up. The first one is the VOO. It's actually a Vanguard ETF, the VOO, and this is one of my favorites. It's perfect for beginners and you can actually start with it. The second one in my Vanguard ETF is the VUG. The VUG. The third dividend stock that I'm buying is the REIT. REIT is Real Estate Investment Trust. That's you buying a share of a real estate company, and you can actually earn dividends on it, and it is the Realty Income Company. And the beautiful thing is that this company pays about 4.6% of dividends. This is super amazing. And the fourth one for me is the AT&T. All right, AT&T pays up to 6% in dividend yield. And the last one, I told you there are 5 that are major for me. The fifth one is the Coca-Cola. Now I'm sure everybody drinks Coca-Cola, right? Yes, it's good. We also have shares in Coca-Cola company, so that when they make profit, they can pay you, and they pay up to 3.1% dividends. And when these companies are also growing, you are also earning from their growth appreciation. So these are my favorite 5, and definitely I do have a community where I teach people how to get into the stock market and how they can start small on their wealth journey. If you are interested in being a part of my community, I'll be dropping my email address down below, so you can send me a mail and then we are going to talk about it. So these are my 5 dividend stocks that I'm constantly topping up and putting more money there, because I set a goal for myself and I want to achieve that particular goal. So I hope that this video today have really opened your eyes to see where you can make money while you are sleeping. And for me, it has changed my life, and it has helped me to know where my money is going to, and my money is doing the right thing for me. So do well to subscribe and share with your friends, so that they also get to learn 1 or 2 things about how to invest in dividend companies and how they can make money passively. And that's interesting. So welcome to the investment world. See you in the next video.